Today I will share with you top 5 best CNC Engraver machines review 2024. So, let's start. Number 1. ORTUR 2 Laser Engraving Cutting Machine. Discover the ORTUR Laser Master 2, your ultimate tool for precision laser engraving and cutting. This versatile machine combines the functionalities of a CNC router and laser engraver, perfect for woodworking and business applications. With Air Assist technology, it ensures clean and accurate cuts or engravings on various materials. Ideal for both professional and hobbyist use, its advanced features and precision make it a must-have for artisans and businesses seeking high-quality, intricate designs on wood and other surfaces with ease and finesse. Number 2. VEVOR CNC 3018 Pro Router Engraver. Meet the VEVOR CNC 3018 Pro Router Engraver, a versatile 3-axis machine perfect for DIY woodworking enthusiasts. This powerhouse comes equipped with a laser module, allowing precision engraving alongside wood milling. Powered by GRBL, it offers exceptional control and accuracy for various projects. Ideal for hobbyists and DIYers, it facilitates intricate designs and precise cuts on wood. Elevate your craftsmanship with this all-in-one machine, revolutionizing your woodworking endeavors with its user-friendly design and multifunctional capabilities. Number 3. CNC 3018 Pro DIY CNC Engraving Machine. Unleash your creativity with the CNC 3018 Pro, a versatile DIY CNC engraving machine. This multifunctional powerhouse is adept at PCB milling and laser engraving. Featuring GRBL control, it offers precise and customizable operations, ideal for various crafting endeavors. Whether you're a hobbyist or a professional, this machine enables intricate designs and accurate engravings on diverse materials. Elevate your projects with this compact yet powerful CNC engraver, designed to bring your ideas to life with precision and ease. Number 4. 2-in-1 with 5.5W Laser CNC Machine. The Mostics CNC 3018 Pro is a versatile 2-in-1 machine featuring a 5.5W laser module and a robust all-metal frame. This powerhouse combines the functionalities of a router and CNC engraving machine, delivering exceptional precision and durability. Craft intricate designs or engrave with ease on various materials. With its compact design and powerful capabilities, it's perfect for both hobbyists and professionals seeking a reliable and multifunctional CNC machine. Elevate your craftsmanship with this versatile tool, designed for precision and efficiency in every project. Number 5. TwoTrees TTS55 Pro Laser Engraver. Experience precision and efficiency with the TwoTrees TTS55 Pro Laser Engraver. This advanced machine features Wi-Fi offline control for seamless operation. Equipped with an 80W laser, emitting 445 plus or minus 5 nm blue light, it ensures crisp and detailed engraving and cutting. Whether intricate designs or precise cuts on various materials, this engraver delivers superior results. Ideal for professionals and enthusiasts alike, its cutting-edge technology and offline capabilities redefine laser engraving, offering convenience and accuracy in every project. Thanks for watching.